Hi guys, I'm Collector Gloria. I like to collect lovely items and the things of value. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and then I will give the detail of this bag. This is the TABBY seal logo shoulder bag. It made from the grand leather. And it features the signature seal logo to the front in chunky cotton metal. Also, it has a flat closure with a magnetic top button. Small branding embossed tape to the side and gold tone metal hardware. It's a slip pocket to the back. Now, let's open this. First, it's a small front slip pocket, two-section interior with a central zip pocket, and internal slip pocket. It comes with a dust bag. This is a serial number. I love the maroon colored suede interior. It's so soft. It has an adjustable leather shoulder strap and crossbody strap. I think that it's perfect for everything from evenings out to days at the office. And you can put your essentials like keys, a phone, a little bit makeup, cash, a credit card, and a wallet. It's gorgeous. Thank you for watching my video. I will show what fits video next week. See you in next video. Thank you.